Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video, I'm going to show you another project you need to start mining right now. Now we have just 6 weeks to mine this project. If you miss out in notcoin, if you miss out in a dog coin, which is going to be launched very soon now, this particular project is the next big thing. Now I'm going to show you something about this project. Let's go to S account. Now we're on the S account. This is the notcoin page. You can see that this particular project is pinned on the notcoin page. You can see it here. You can see that the project is pinned. Now let's go to the project. Let me show you something about this project. You can see this is the profile of the project. So when you go to the main project, you can see this is not a click game. It's a community driven story where you can mine a new token, hashtag Woof. Now this particular project is supported by notcoin. You can see everything about this project is legit. Now I'm going to take you to my Telegram wallet. I'm going to show you how you can mine this project. First of all, go to my video description, click on my video description link. You will come to this platform. When you find yourself on this platform, you can read this. If you want to know more about the project, read this. So when you find yourself on this platform, click on play game. Now this particular mining is different from other crypto mining app on Telegram. Now when you find yourself on this, all you just have to do is to come in daily and vote. When you come in daily, you vote and then you claim your token. You can see, then you click on this at the top. You can see the balance of my wolf, and then you make sure you complete these tasks. These are the tasks you need to complete. Make sure you complete all these tasks here. When you are done completing these tasks, then you come to your profile. When you come to your profile, you connect your wallet. You can see you connect your wallet, and when you connect your wallet, you still come here on a daily basis. Make sure you perform the various tasks that you are supposed to perform. So guys, make sure you start mining this project now. Like I said, this project is legit. Many people are not aware of this. You can only get this from iColumbus. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, so when next time I'm going to post another video, you will be able to get a notification. Thank you for watching my video.